Alright, welcome to the podcasting tutorial for Windows. First thing I'm going to do today, since we're ready to upload some content, is we have to create some. Here I have my Canon PowerShot camera. Most of these are capable of recording video as well as photos, and so I'm just going to get the video off of here, and so I'm just going to do a quick little video to discuss safety in the lab. Welcome to the safety tutorial, and one of the first things that we have to learn when we're in the lab is that we should always wear our safety glasses. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the card out of the camera by flipping this open and plug this into the card reader. Alright, once you have the card plugged into the card reader, then the PC should automatically open up and give you this window here. And I go ahead and I just open folder to view files, and then I can go into the DCIM folder, which is where it stores it. That's pretty much on all cameras. It's under the DCIM folder, and it names the folder based on the type of camera. Click in there and you can see that there's a lot of videos, and I want to grab the last video clip that was made because that's the one that we're going to be working with, and I'm just going to drag that one to the desktop. I've actually already done that so that we don't have to wait for it, and so it's right there. Once it's there on the desktop, then we can go ahead, you can actually go straight to blogger.com at this point if that's the only video that you want to upload. If you don't want to add any titles, you don't want to add any other video clips with transitions or anything else, you could jump forward to the last part of this tutorial that's all about Blogger, blogger.com, and go straight to there with this video clip. But what we're going to do at this point is I'm actually just going to show you a few quick things about how you can combine a few video clips together by opening up Windows Movie Maker. That's under Start, should be about right there. Now that I'm in Windows Movie Maker, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the Movie Tasks, and I am going to import video. If you can't see this Movie Tasks part of the page, it's because this button's probably unclicked. So if there's no box around tasks there, go and click on it, it'll bring this up, and you're going to import video. Now the video clip that I wanted was this one, the MVI 6421 clip. And so I'm going to click import, and it brings it in, and there it is. This collection, this is going to contain all the video clips that you could possibly use to edit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to import one other video clip that I made previously with a different camera, just of us in the lab, and wait a little bit longer. This is actually a high definition video clip shot with one of my other cameras. So once it is in there, you notice we don't see the other clip. That's because it's under a different collection. So what we have to do is go back and forth between these different collections of video clips, and we can drag the video clip down into what we call the timeline down here. And you can go back to where the other clip is and find it and drag it down. And so now if I were to play through from this clip,
where are
just the last
safety
little bit,
glasses?
it shows that it goes directly from the one into the other video clip. If I want to put some transitions in between there, then you click here, learn about that, and once you're all ready, you have everything laid out the way that you want it to, with multiple clips, you can come up here to File and save the movie file. Now, my suggestion is that you just, it gives you lots of different options. I'm just going to tell you, save it to your computer. And it's going to ask you, where do you want to save it? You can give it the appropriate name, and we'll just title it Safety Instructions Video. and that's going to be saved to the My Videos folder. I'm going to click Next. The high quality large, that is a fantastic choice. It gives you a large video so it can maintain a higher quality. Click Next, and then we simply wait for the progress bar to go through, and it takes all of those video clips and puts them into just one video clip. Now we're ready to go back to theblogger.com, and so you're going to use your Google account to log in here. This is one of the things that I have that I'm going to be using for school. Enter in my password. I'm not going to tell you that one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new post. And this button that's right up here, we're going to click this Add Video button. We're going to browse, and we're going to go to the My Documents folder, which is where the My Videos thing is, which is where we have what we just saved was the safety instructions video. That's the older one that I saved as I was trying to figure out how to do this earlier. Alright, and so I'm going to click Open, and we can title the video Instructions. Of course, you have to agree to the upload terms and conditions that say that you're not going to post copyrighted material up here. Then go ahead and upload it and agree to all the different things it's going to say, because, yeah. Alright, and while it's uploading, this is actually just in line with the text, and one of my recommendations is that you will go ahead and you give the post a title. And I'm going to say a short podcast about safety rule. I'm going to change that to safety rule number 1. Check it out. And it's just working on uploading it. It's uploaded now. The screen looks like that. Has all the B's and everything. But it's still not done processing, as you can see down here. You can go ahead and click Save Now. And you can go and you can work on other things. I'm going to go to different pages for a second. Once you're ready to go back to the post, go to the Edit Posts tab right here under Posting. And that's the one. You can see it's currently a draft. So I'm going to go back in and edit it. And it looks like it's still processing it. Once it's finished processing, then we can go ahead and just click the Publish Post button right there. But not yet. Alright, it looks like now that we're back on this page that it has the preview of the video clip and it's all ready to post, and so we can go ahead and just push the Publish Post button here, and it's been published successfully. You've now created a podcast. Blogging and podcasting, they're related. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up in a new window. Alright, now if you're looking at this in Safari, then one of the things you're going to see up here in the address bar over to the right hand side is what's called an RSS button to show the RSS feed. And we want the actual, the RSS one, not the Atom one, but the RSS one. Now this address, it's right here, feed : / title of your blog and all that stuff there. That is what we're going to want to have to subscribe to it inside of iTunes. That is, if you don't want to actually publish it to the iTunes directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that feed, and then I'm going to open up iTunes. Alright, now that we're in iTunes, we're going to take a look under the Advanced option right here. Instead of going to the iTunes Store, because only the ones that are listed there in the iTunes Store would be listed there, but any of your students would be able to go to Advanced and Subscribe to Podcast. And then you paste in the URL that you got from the other page in here. So it's the name and feed posts RSS. Click OK, and if you'll notice down here under downloads, it showed that it was downloading. We get the badge to show that it's available. If we double click on it here.
Welcome to the safety tutorial, and one of the first things that we have to learn when we're in the lab is that we should always
available. It'll automatically be downloaded, and the number up here on the side will automatically be updated to show that there's a new thing to watch. And so stay tuned for more podcasts to try and do it, but for now, go ahead and try and get some tacit learning in by doing it yourself.